How to use the cradle hold for breastfeeding. The cradle hold is one of the most popular breastfeeding positions, favored by many new mothers for its simplicity and comfort. This position can be an excellent choice for effective and enjoyable nursing sessions. However, it's important to understand the proper techniques to ensure a comfortable experience, especially for those who have had a cesarean delivery. Setting up for the cradle hold. To begin, choose a comfortable chair with armrests or a bed surrounded by supportive cushions or pillows. This will help minimize strain on your arms and back. Lay your baby across your lap, facing you, and ensure they are close and snug. Positioning your baby. Place your baby's head on the forearm of the side you'll be breastfeeding from. Make sure your baby's nose is in line with your nipple to facilitate easier latching. Support the length of your baby's body with your hand, securing their lower arm under your own to keep them stable and in a comfortable position. Perfecting the hold. Ensure your baby's ear, shoulder, and hip are aligned in a straight line. This alignment helps your baby swallow easily and aids in digestion. The cradle hold is a great starting point for new mothers learning to breastfeed, but remember that every mother and baby is different, and it may take a few tries to find what works best for you. For more breastfeeding tips and tutorials, be sure to subscribe to Women's Wellness Guide and click the bell icon to stay updated. Don't forget to share this video with other moms who might find it helpful. See you in my next video.